We start with charges. I want to give a quick update. And first of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was here, we mentioned we can look for this one as a flat. And that's why we mentioned the ways moving is very corrective. If we get one more drop, any reversal, we can take the trade. And since most of the chart, we have this movement, I mean, we see the price drop as a sharply and we see the reversal. Then the only way to look for trade was to take the trade based on 5 minutes. Rather than that, we didn't have any other opportunity. And for those traders, they get the trade based on lower time frame, based on 5 minutes. If they want to keep the trade, move their stop loss to break even. And still we can consider this one as a flat, and we need to see the breakout of the previous stop. All right, the way is moving is really corrective, but anyway we try to look for the I mean, if we get an opportunity for buy, we will take it, because for sure if the price could break this correction, it can continue very fast. That's why the breakout of the at this point we're looking for breakout of 26 and 30 cent if I move to forward chart. All right, anyway, even based on forward chart, still we can put this one as a correction in relative to this. Even still as a long term, we can expect the price retest the previous low, but we don't need to wait for this option. Any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And as a short term, the breakout of 26 following by 36, 26 and 30 cent, this is what we're looking for. And as I say, if it's move, since based on daily correction we are within, and based on daily chart we are within the correction, we can expect if the is a start to move as uptrend, it can move really fast. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And if it's not moving our direction, we will take out the trade. Okay, that's mean we won't keep the trade for the long term. It depends on the traders again. And for me right now, if the price consolidate here for another few hours, then having entry above here, I will consider to look for in case the price sharply can continue. All right. And as I say, we don't see a really good trade setup. Simply, we cannot look for buy and let the price consolidate another a few hours. Then we consider that this one as a correction flag in relative to this. Then having entry above here can be an option. And we want the price sharply break and continue. And we should know that there is a possibility the price tag and drop. And because we're looking at this one as a flat, as a 1 2 3, and the price if could tag the previous top and it couldn't break following by divergence, as a what I explained based on forward chart, we can expect the price to retest the previous low, which is 0.215. Then if anyone wants to buy from here by having entry above the top, they should know that the price sharply should break and continue. All right, but if the price tag within the first hour we see is not moving, we take out the trade of maximum 2 hours. We are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours, because based on forward chart we can look for this one, and this one become flat in relative to this for one more drop before we get the reversal. All right, we should be aware of this. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy based on 1 hour chart by having entry above this, they should know that if the price couldn't tag, I mean, it couldn't break following by divergence, mostly any reversal can happen. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.